What's happening, guys? Goofy bastard here, sitting in traffic. It's 2:15 on a Friday. Like, shouldn't you motherfuckers be working? Like, what the hell's going on? I guess I'm really not going to go this way. Like, seriously, what the hell, man? I was hoping to go out a different way today, but I guess that's really not going to happen. I have absolutely nothing to talk about right now, but I wanted to complain about being in traffic, so I started recording. You know what? Screw this. Let's go someplace else, shall we? Instead of sitting in traffic. I really got nothing to say, man. It's kind of oh man, it's kind of messed up. So I think this year I'm going to try and do a couple things different. I'm going to try to go to some demo days and ride different bikes. Give my opinion. Not that it really matters to anybody, but I'm going to give it anyway. As I really want to drive the Indian Challenger. I want to ride the Indian Challenger. I want to ride the Road Glide, and theme going on here, fixed fairing bikes. I also want to ride the new Honda Rebel, the 1100 Honda Rebel. And of course, I gotta ride it with the DCT. I want to give that a try. And I know a lot of the metric dealers don't let you ride their shit, which is fine. Whatever. So I'd have to go to a demo day for that kind of thing. And in all reality, I wouldn't mind trying the Goldwing either. You know, everybody that I watch here on YouTube that has a Goldwing loves them. So I wouldn't mind trying one of them. And of course with the DCT, because I want to be, lazy and not have to shift. Plus, I'm really curious to find out. Everybody says good things about it. I'm curious to find out how it actually is on my own, for my own sake. So I guess that'll be something I'll be looking out for coming into spring and summer. And this year, I'm hoping to meet up with other guys, maybe dual vlog. I don't know if that's going to work, but I wouldn't mind giving it a try. Getting other people in the videos with me. I mean, last year was fall when I really started to hit my stride out here and actually find other motovloggers in my area, so we really didn't get a chance to get together and ride. So I'm hoping that this year will be different. What's this camera angle? Seems a little high. And we'll actually be able to hook up early in the season, ride, get together, meet each other. Alright guys, here's where I'm going to leave you. You know, do all the things, like, comment, subscribe, yeah. Until next time, stay safe, love one another, peace.